Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and I'll show you how to check battery health on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store application, and here in the search pool just type the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and just wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the application, and here click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK, and as can you see, the health of your battery is good right now. Also you can see the temperature of your phone, the Android version, phone model, and a lot of another information. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.